Love is of life. You love life. Life is love. Love is life. So, love in you, and I'm not talking about human love. I'm talking about real love, true love. Love that doesn't end, doesn't change, doesn't get tired. I'm talking of that love. Love is not of yourself. Love is love. So, yourself is terrified of love. Yourself loves the emotion of human love. Because human love is so warm, so argumentative after a while, you've noticed, haven't you? You make beautiful love with your bodies, and it's not long after you've made beautiful love with your bodies that yourself comes up and starts to ruin it all. Yourself, which is your opinions, your feelings, what you want, what they don't want, your position that you take. And so, but the one thing is that then you make love again, and you have this beautiful, beautiful love, and you come together having had a wonderful argument, a terrible exchange of hateful words and terrible accusative words, terrible demonstration of non-love, and you make love and everything's all right again for a while, and then after not long before you're arguing again, discussing again what's wrong with you, what's wrong with me, instead of just loving. But that's yourself. The whole lot of it is yourself. And every time you think about anything at all, which means think about the past, that's yourself. So everybody spends all day long thinking, except for brief periods perhaps of respite. That's yourself that thinks. And everybody's feeling something or other about where they are. They don't like it, or they do like it, or they want this or they don't want it. Everybody's feeling all the time, and that is everybody's self. So I'm endeavouring to demonstrate to you that everything is yourself except your body. So the thing inside of you that worries, that's yourself. That thinks, that's yourself. That stays awake at night and thinks, that's yourself. Worries, that's yourself. That tries to work out what you're going to do, that's yourself. That tries to work out your love life, that's yourself. Now, have you got it clear? You're nothing but yourself and your body. And of the two, your body is the purity and yourself is the spoiler in your life. And most people make all their decisions, love decisions, work decisions, everything, from this self, which, as you know, I describe as the emotions of all the unhappiness that you've had since you were born. And the search for excitement. That's yourself. So that's what you start off with. That's what you started off with in your spiritual search for God. You started off by being yourself, like everybody outside this room is busily being their self, spoiling their life, making some corrections this way, then they're going to dart over the other side and correct what they corrected, and backwards and forwards they go. And the only thing that's not yourself is the bit of luck that brings passing harmony, a passing boon to you. That's not yourself. That's life. But most of the time you're yourself, battling to know what to do, battling to know what to work out, battling to find out why you're so lonely, battling all the time. This is yourself. The idea I'm trying to communicate is that everything in this existence is self. And then we hear therapists saying, you got to be yourself. You got to love yourself. love your anger, love your hate, love your emotion, love your self-doubt, and all that stuff. You cannot love it. It is beyond love. There's not enough love in the world for it. It could take all the world's love and still be unhappy. That's what it is. It's a big hole. It's unfillable. Is yourself. Discontent. That's what you start off with.